Well, you've been waiting for it. It's here. It's patio season. I'm here at Northeast Factory Direct with Alex. Hey, tell us about all the new stuff you have.
So what we've done is we've been bringing in truckloads of our most popular patio furniture for the season this year, and we have a huge selection. So we can start with our dining room furniture. This is one of our most popular. This is a solid wood. It's actually made out of eucalyptus, which doesn't fade over time like teak, and is very popular. Of course, we have our traditional cast aluminum. This set, I thought it was for inside the house. It's actually an outdoor set. It's made of rust-free aluminum. It just gives you that really high-end look. You wouldn't believe what some of the fancy places are charging for something like this.
Until you touch it, you don't realize it's not wood. I can't believe it's for outside. Awesome. I love that.
And of course, we have our couches here. This actually matches the wood group, but you can get this couch for $6.99. It would cost you a few $1,000s somewhere else. And then, of course, our sectionals. This one you can make as big or small as you want. We have sectionals starting out at $3.99.
That's incredible. I love all the outdoor stuff. And of course, we can't forget about the hot tubs.
Yeah, so again, our hot tubs are amazing. We have the freshwater salt system. We have hot tubs starting as low as $2,500.
Wow, that's incredible. And you're doing something else now too. 1-year price guarantee?
Yeah, so we've always guaranteed the best price. Now we are offering all of our customers a 1-year price match guarantee. If you buy something from us and within a year, you see it for a better price somewhere else, we'll give you the difference. So we guarantee our pricing.
You can't get better than that. Hey, thank you, Alex. Stop on by one of their many locations. It's northeastfactorydirect.com.